Tinan yun, napadpad ako dito. Sa Greece.
Ay, sobrang Greece. Boracay lang po kami.
Santorini ko.
Oh my
Santorini.
gosh, this is
Welcome to
so
our home.
wonderful. Look at this. The Miriam I knew. Alam niyo po, di ba, na nag-extra si Miriam after I left.
Bawal siya sa...
Oh, guys! Oh my God! Nag-extra challenge. Sir, pwede kami makisabay na lang sa inyo?
Kanina ba yan sa tricycle? Nakasabay talaga. Pwede ba kasabay na lang?
Oh my God! Look at that!
Aray ko! You know what? Yung buhay nyo dito, people save up for a whole year to spend a week in Boracay.
Yes.
Kayo,
So
dito
true.
kayo nakatira.
It was really an answered prayer for me, Karen. Because remember, I asked for a man who will love me like Jesus loved me. And RD's promise was not to give up on us because God knows we're worth it. And that's how God loves us. He will never give up on us because He knows we're worth it.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ako po si Karen Davila and I'm here in one of the favorite islands of many Filipinos and foreigners all over the world. Ito ang isla ng Boracay. At summer na naman ngayon, so marami na namang magbabakasyon dito. Pero alam nyo ba, marami tayong kakilala, celebrity man o hindi, na pinili ang Boracay na maging second home nila. Kaya very interesting ang bibisitahin natin dito sa Boracay, ang the one and only Miss Universe first runner-up na si Miriam Kiambao. Bakit nga ba niya pinili na manirahan dito sa isla? So this is Miriam and RD's house in Boracay. Bisitahin na natin. Hello, guys!
Welcome to our
Hello!
Boracay home.
Hi, Miriam! Hi, Ardy! Tinan nyo, napadpad ako dito. Sa Greece.
Ay, sobrang Greece. Boracay lang po kami.
Santorini ko.
Oh my
Santorini.
gosh! This is
Welcome to
so
our home.
wonderful. What year did you move to Boracay?
2022. But we were
Okay.
living in a
February.
different place.
Exactly
Ah.
4 years ago. I had a prayer, Lord, provide for us a place where the family and the children can run free.
Oh,
And then God
really?
said, beach.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I said, beach where? In the back of my mind, Boracay is too expensive. But later on, something popped up. Boracay long-term rentals, 50% off. We just went in October 2021. We did some oculars, and then we chose a place. And then
In Station 2,
in
it was a
3 months,
house.
we moved.
Was it difficult for you to move to Boracay considering, alam mo yun, nasa Manila kayo the whole time?
For me, when he came and asked, babe, would it be crazy if we moved to Boracay? Let's go! Wala pa, no batting of an eyelash. My dream was to
Walang-
really live by the beach. And Boracay is the best beach, one of the best beaches around the world. So who wouldn't
Yeah.
want to live here? During the pandemic, where hardly anybody was here. What was difficult was just packing,
The moving.
giving away, choosing the items to keep and what not to keep,
Yeah.
and then transporting everything here. But once we landed, walked to the beach and
Yeah.
saw the sunset,
Yeah.
it was magical. Immediately we said, this is the best
Yeah,
decision we
the
ever
kids
made
were
for
like
our
running
family.
on the beach in their pajamas.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, alam mo, yan ang pangarap ng maraming tao nung pandemic. Either that they move to the beach or they move to a farm.